Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you two best faucet website. One of that is Bitcoin, the next one is dogecoin. Okay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is my Faucet Pay account, and right now I want to show you how you can make your free faucet. Okay, the first account is Bitcoin IronFaucet, and in this faucet you can claim your faucet. Put your Bitcoin wallet address in here, type the capture. You can change your capture, any capture you want, recapture, self capture, or edge capture. For me is typing capture is very good. Self capture, just fill this capture to 91037. Okay, wait 1 second and click get reward. You can get your reward. I earn 4 Satoshi. Okay, they pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay account, and you can see they pay me 4 Satoshi. Okay, you can claim your Iron Dogecoin. This is unlimited claim. Okay, just refresh if you don't know what is that, the capture, and this capture is very easy. Okay, solve this one 495. Wait 1 second, claim your reward. And for my reward, okay, this one, reload the page. Sorry, I didn't reload the page. About that, it didn't pay me. Reload the page. Okay, 684 and type white breath and click get reward. Okay, pay me this much Dogecoin in my Faucet Pay. Every 5 minutes you come here, you can claim your IronFaucet. Okay, this is my Dogecoin to pay me, and the IronFaucet is very easy faucet you can claim. Just solve a capture and wait until they're finishing the timer. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This is my base 2 faucet website I'm going to share with you, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, goodbye.